Let's draw a dog. Great job! Keep going! Great! Imagine what this would look like in real life. Let's color in. Let's try a different color for the spout. Wow! Try to make your line smooth and even. All done! Bye-bye!